In Microsoft Dynamics CRM, a queue is a holding place for work that needs to be done. A queue can be filled with cases to respond to or activities to complete. Depending on your organization, you might also be able to send leads, accounts, or other records to a queue. Queues improve routing and sharing of work by making cases and activities available in a central place that everyone can access. Queue items are assigned either to you or to a team you're a member of. After you select an item, only you can work on it until you release it back to the queue or assign it to someone else to work on. Queues are based on how the work needs to be organized. For example, by priority, product, subject matter, or even by expertise. People can put items into queues in several ways. Anyone can assign cases and activities, such as phone calls or tasks, to a team or just to you. This is like having unread email in your inbox. You can also use a workflow to automatically send items to queues based on a variety of criteria, such as the sender or a keyword in the subject line. If a queue has an email address, email goes directly to that queue. If you want to work on an item in a queue, simply select the option to work on it. If there is an item in your queue that someone else should work on, or that needs to be released back to the queue, reassign it by routing it. When an activity is completed or a case is closed, you can remove it from your queue, or release it to move it out of your queue and make it available for others to work on. Even though it's not in your queue anymore, the completed activity is still displayed in the Activities area and in the History area of the customer's record. Closed activities can no longer be changed. Email activities are the exception. When an email activity in a queue is closed, you can still forward it as a new email activity, reply to it, or convert it into an opportunity, case, or lead. With Microsoft Dynamics CRM queues, work is centralized for efficient routing and prioritizing of your customer interactions. A team that works together is a winning team.